This is QuickTime Technology, and in this video today I will show you how to install Clean My Mac for your MacBook Pro. So go to the DMG file that you have, double click this, and now it says opening the file, so we'll just wait for that to open. Once that has opened, we can click on this itself, but we can go to this manual to see what it's all about. This is just an instruction manual. Drag this and put it onto your applications. So it's copying the application to the applications. Then we can get out of that, go to the launchpad and now click on Clean My Mac itself. Clean My Mac 3 can't be opened because it is from an unidentified developer. Okay, so we can go to System Preferences, go to Security and Privacy, go to Open Anyway. So go to Open again. So now the application has been installed. We can go to Scan and see what it's all about. While that's cleaning, we can go to the top and see that we need to free the memory up because we have 16 gigs of RAM and all that memory is just being used up. Okay, great. Go to the application itself and go to Clean. So now I need to put in my password. Close all for the time being. Close out of this. Okay, so 1.78 gigabytes of data, whatever, has been cleaned. You now have 971 gigabytes of free memory on your startup disk. Okay, and go back to the top, go to free up. And that is it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for now.